somebody? What? Well, good morning, Mount Arafat Baptist Church. Good morning, Mount Arafat. Great to be here. Mount Arafat, just want to, what? It's not Mount Arafat. What is your name of the church? Oh, Mount Ararat. I was going to say that. Mount Arafat, that ain't a good name for a Baptist church. I ain't never heard no Baptist church named Mount Arafat. All right, well, welcome. Welcome to Mount Ararat. Listen, I heard y'all are getting ready to do 40 days here coming up real soon. And, you know, at Third Baptist Burnt Hollow, my church, we did something like this. For 40 days, our whole church stayed together in the fellowship hall. All the families and the livestock, oh man. After a couple of weeks, it was smelling pretty bad. It took us about 3 months to clean up after that. But it was great. Great, good community happening there. Listen, you got some big things coming up here with 40 days. Got to let you know. I got a couple of announcements I want to share with you. The first is pre-sales on those books for 40 days. Now you may say, I got all the books I need. I got a phone book. I got a cookbook. I got the good book. I don't need no more books. Listen, you need this book. So you go out to the Adult Ministry Center. You buy that book. You go out there. You get that. Listen, some of you are hosts. You're a host for 40 days. You need to start inviting people. Start inviting people to 40 days. And listen, make sure you tell them. You know, it's 40 days of community. It's not about communism. It's not about communism. I know some people think it's about communism because it says community and commune and communism. It's not about communism. It's about 40 days of community. So start inviting your friends and your family to that. I want to also mention there's another event coming up called Group Link. If you're looking for a group to get into, I know it sounds like a dating service or something, but it ain't. It is not a dating service. It's for folks looking to get in a group. So you want to be there if you need a group. There's more information out at the Adult Ministry Center about that. One other thing is the picnic on September 28th, and it's going to be good. I'm telling you, listen, they're going to have all kinds of stuff there. They're going to have possum and raccoon. I mean, it's going to be good. It's going to be enough to make you want to do a backflip off the baptismal and clothesline the devil, amen. It's going to be good. Good stuff. And last thing is, we're starting a new preaching series today called Run. And I want you to know something. CW ain't never run from nothing. I ain't never run from nothing. I ain't afraid of nothing. And you don't be afraid of nothing either. Listen, I got to get back to my stuff now. You all have a great time here at Mount Arafat. We'll talk to you later. Granny here to tell us.